Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to teleport player on mouse click on terrain. I prepared the scene for this, with terrain, trees and sight on canvas. I will use an FPS controller, so my mouse will be in the middle of the screen. Let's write a script. Teleportation. We need two variables, vector free and raycast hit. If you like my content, click subscribe button and like. Here we will create the main part of code. We will send a ray on mouse position. If ray hit an object with tag terrain and we click the left mouse button, the player will teleport to place location. Last we need to do is assign script to the player. Really, thanks for watching.